visitor come into the salon last night at around 2 a.m. Unfortunately, we didn't catch his name, but he left his rock. So I was just wondering, PSA call out. We're going to call him Steve for now because we don't know his actual name. But if you want to come grab your rock.
This is Steve. He decided to fling through our window. He's an icon from a bad thing turned into a good.
And we're of course very thankful to Steve for giving us some work as well.
Yeah, exactly right. He's keeping people in jobs, like, you know. What can't Steve do, honestly? He's a diva.
Can he cut hair yet, or is he still in training?
Not yet. We're training him. Yeah,
Training.
give him about 3 years and he'll be cutting hair.
Thanks, Steve.
Why, Steve?